Alright, hi everybody. So this is a Leopold FC660M. I believe these are from Leopold, China. I just ordered it off Massdrop, and if anybody from that Massdrop is watching, the shipping on that took for freaking ever. Usually they say about 10 days. Well, these didn't get shipped out until probably a couple weeks afterwards, or 3 weeks. It was extremely frustrating, but I'm really glad I have it now. So the Leopold FC660M comes with a little micro USB cable and got some plastic port covers. Not everybody comes with that. And a little Velcro cable management attachment. And this is the keyboard itself. The keyboard I got comes with blacks. Actually, in the picture, the keycaps look extremely white. I'll send a link to the Massdrop I participated in, but yeah, the keycaps are actually way more gray in person. Kind of misleading. I actually prefer the white looking keycaps, but yeah, very heavy compared to the Keycool. I think Keycool uses a different type of metal for its plate, and Leopold probably uses a heavier metal like steel. I got Cherry MX Blacks. This is a 60%, and insert delete or over here. Some people criticize this and make it, you say that this is kind of wasted space. I agree with that, but I think it's good wasted space because sometimes they have those awkward keys like screenshot or start recording gameplay, stop recording gameplay. I use Open Broadcaster with, or just anything like that. And it's nice to have like some button separation just to like set a couple weird hotkeys for that. Yeah, F keys are functions. If you can't see, you should be able to see. Yeah. And let me see if I can find a keycap puller to pull off. Alright, so these keycaps are die sub, they're not laser etched, and blacks are actually pretty heavy, but they're linear, so I kind of like it. Reds are, I don't know if reds are my favorite, but if anybody's never seen a black switch, try and get that in the light. See if I can pause it and put flash. Nope, I can't do that. So yeah, here's a close-up to, I'm going to have to try and focus it, the keycap. The lighting's going to be weird. There we go. The Keycool PBT keycaps like felt a bit rough. These don't feel rough to me at all. There's the back. I get one of the Keycool ones. The key caps actually are a lot more slim compared to the Keycool. This is just an arrow key, so key's a little bit higher. Yeah. There's the back of the Keycool and Leopold right here. And yeah, I'll add some video and after my thoughts after a couple days of use. Micro USB right here on the right. And yeah, so I'll continue the video after a few days of use. Thank you. Okay, so I've had the chance to use this Leopold FC660M. I don't know why my stupid mouth has a really hard time saying that for some reason, but one thing I noticed is my insert key LED is just not working at all. I really kind of want to contact Massdrop or Leopold about that, but that sounds like a really long process, so probably not going to. I'm looking to other options. A few things I noticed when pressing Control-Alt-Delete, it's kind of weird at first. I got pretty used to it. On my Keycool, the delete's like right here-ish. So it was a very adaptable form factor, and right now it's kind of weird because I'm pushing it with my pinky like that, and I don't know. one thing I missed during the unboxing is this does come with a Leopold keycap puller, so if you're really scared about like the regular key pullers damaging your keycaps, this should do it a little bit better. I found out a little bit more about the dip switch on the back. So the dip switch, I found a little pamphlet if you want to see what it does. Let me try and get it to focus. I'm going to just briefly touch on this. So switch 1, when it's on, switches left control to caps lock, and then caps lock to control. Switch 2, Windows to Alt, Alt to Windows, Windows to function, function to Windows. This is actually probably what I might use, just because when I quick save, I want to be able to, this is an example, but I still use quick saving, so I still kind of need an F key, but I can actually go without it if I get more desk space. So a nice little window key and 5 for F5, which is like a universal quick save button. I don't know any games that really don't use that unless they're like really old. That's gonna be a nice little. I just turn it on right now. These are little dip switches. On 1, 2, 3, and there we go. And yeah, for 60%, this actually weighs quite a bit, and the additional weight actually helps it keep it in place. Like, I did not have any issues with this sliding, moving around, just anything like that. It was very, very like stable. I didn't want to move at all. The keycaps were right away very soft compared to Keycool PBT plastic. The Cherry MX Blacks are really, really, I don't know how to describe them, but I don't want to just say they're a heavier red, because they are kind of just a heavier red, but they are so heavy, they're so much heavier that it like almost feels like it's tactile, almost. But yeah, some things I wish they included were a PS/2 adapter. I have to use my old Keycool one. Yeah, they did not include a PS/2 adapter. I was pretty disappointed in this. Yeah, that's just about all my thoughts on this keyboard. Thanks for watching. If you made it all the way through, I'm sorry. If I missed something, please leave a comment, and see you later. Actually, I'll just end it with some typing on Cherry MX Blacks.